Today I've got a Pokemon TCG Fusion Strike booster. Got it from the shops today, just for some kicks and giggles. You know, who doesn't like kicks and giggles? I mean, I sure do. I like kicks and giggles. I enjoy them. Code card. The cards. That. Four to the front. Electric Energy. Victini. Electric Dunsparce. Muna. Meowth. I like that one. I like this Meowth. Marill. Helioptile. Wooloo. Turtonator. Reverse and... Oh my god! Oh! You're probably wondering why I'm getting so excited. Oh, I love these cards. Yes. Oh, look at that. Bolton VMAX. Oh, my heart is beating so fast right now. I'm shaking. I'm literally shaking. Whoa. That was a very good pack. Well, thank you guys for watching, and bye.